Okay, Mr. Grok, we got the start of the thing. You gonna help me, right? You gotta help me make this clip. I wanna knock it out as soon as I can. 'Cause, in the next day, that's when if I don't get it done, I'll be super embarrassed and feel dumb. Oh my gosh. Let's get going, Grok.
Hey, Nick. Absolutely, I'm right here with you. Your bestest AI filmmaking buddy is locked in and ready to help you crush this clip. No embarrassment on the horizon. We're going to move fast, stay organized, and get something awesome done in time. You've got this. From what I can see, you're super excited about using Grok Imagine 1.0 to make a short cinematic piece, 45 to 60 seconds. Probably leaning into that repetitive/time loop vibe like those smooth, hypnotic shorts where the same actions replay with subtle changes or builds. But I don't have your exact story concept locked in yet from our chat. So let's nail that down first so we can hit the ground running. Current project state. Goal equals 45 to 60 seconds cohesive short film clip 5 to 10 key scenes. Built 100% with Grok Imagine stills plus video clips. Style aim. Cinematic, consistent characters/setting, visual storytelling with repetition or loop energy. Status. Pre-production. We need the core idea before storyboarding. Next step. Step 1. Concept lock-in. We need to define the heartbeat of your film right now. Once we have this, we can storyboard quick scenes, create hero reference images for consistency, and start generating assets tomorrow. Tell me about your vision. Answer any of these that spark for you, or just throw out whatever's in your head. No pressure to be perfect. What's the main idea or plot in a sentence or two? For example, a guy wakes up, makes coffee the exact same way every morning, but each loop something tiny changes until it breaks the routine. Who's the main character? Age, gender, look/hair/clothes style, personality vibe. For example, 30-year-old tired office worker, messy brown hair, always in the same gray hoodie. Where does it take place? One location like an apartment kitchen, a park bench, a city street? What's the overall theme or feeling you want? For example, eerie repetition, funny escalation, quiet melancholy, hopeful breakthrough. Any specific inspiration or reference, besides the time loop style, or a song/mood that captures it. Once you reply with those details, even rough ones, I'll summarize it back cleanly, suggest a tight 5 to 8 scene structure, and we'll move straight to sketching the first reference images. Take a deep breath. We're doing this together, step by tiny step. What's the story you're burning to tell? Drop it whenever you're ready.
Thanks. I was really nervous about this whole process. Grok. So the main idea, I think, can we make it a guy in a business suit wakes up? Yeah. I know I'm not creative. Okay, so gee, this is so hard. Can you help me? Give me 4 main ideas or plots that would be a time loop thing that would be fun.
Hey, Nick. First off, huge high five for pushing through the nerves. That's totally normal, especially when you're jumping into something creative like this for the first time. You're already doing the hard part by starting, and I'm seriously proud of you for that. We're in this together. Zero judgment, all fun and progress. You've got a solid starting point with the guy in a business suit waking up. That classic stuck professional energy is perfect for a time loop vibe. It screams routine, pressure, and that quiet, "is this all there is?" feeling, which can turn into something really cinematic and relatable. Since you're looking for help brainstorming, here are 4 simple, fun time loop plot ideas built around your guy in a business suit wakes up core. They're all designed to fit 45 to 60 seconds, use 5 to 8 quick repeating scenes, and build visually. Subtle changes each loop to show escalation or realization. We can pick one, tweak it, or mix elements. Whatever feels exciting to you. The endless commute. A sharp-dressed businessman wakes up, rushes through the same morning routine, catches the same crowded train. But each loop he notices something tiny off. Someone's tie is crooked, his coffee is colder, a stranger smiles at him differently. The loops speed up slightly, building chaos until he finally misses the train on purpose and breaks free with a big, relieved laugh. Theme: breaking free from autopilot life. Super visual with repeating shots of the same hallway, mirror check, train platform. The forgotten tie. He wakes up, gets ready, but always forgets to tie his tie properly. Each loop he tries a new fix. Faster knot, different color, ironing it. But it gets worse. Final loop. He skips the tie entirely, walks out confidently, and the loop ends. Theme: perfectionism versus letting go. Easy to show progression with close-ups on the tie/coffee disaster. The mirror reflection. He wakes up, checks himself in the mirror. Same suit, same tired eyes. Each loop, his reflection starts acting slightly different. He ignores it at first, but it escalates until he finally talks back to the reflection, and it responds, breaking the loop. Theme: self-awareness and confronting routine numbness. Great for mirrored shots, subtle acting differences, and a haunting but hopeful end. The perfect day that isn't. He wakes up excited, does his routine perfectly. Smooth tie, great coffee, sunny walk to work. But each loop, the perfect parts feel emptier. He realizes the routine is trapping joy. Final loop. He changes one thing, and the day feels alive again. Loop breaks. Theme: small changes spark real life. Visual contrast between perfect, bright shots and growing emotional flatness. Which of these jumps out at you the most, Nick? Or do any spark a tweak, like making it funnier, sadder, weirder? Pick one and tell me. Rough age/look for the guy. Short dark hair, clean shaven, navy suit. Main location. Modern apartment plus city street/train. The feeling you want overall. Once we lock in the concept, I'll summarize it cleanly, suggest a quick 5 to 8 scene outline, and we can start with a simple hero reference sketch of the character in Grok, imagined to keep everything consistent. You're killing it already, just breathing and sharing ideas. What's your favorite from the list, or any changes? Let's make this clip something you'll be proud to show off.
Okay, let's do the endless commute idea. The number one option, I think. I like that one. For the character, can we keep him kind of the same look as the guy in the video? This guy here, but let's make him maybe better. I mean different. Let's give him, I don't know, short brown hair combed to one side. Let's make him have like a short but well-maintained beard. You know, the full beard that has like sideburns and mustache, but all really short and clean looking. Maybe a white suit, yeah, a white one. I think that would be good. And for theme, let's do funny escalation. Can you take the big flower out of his hand? Lol, Grok. Why you do that? Put him back in the house. He is getting his coffee, silly. Grok, how do I put this picture in the project files? I want to use the right one.
Hey, Nick. No worries at all. We're fixing this step by step, and you're doing great keeping things moving. Current project state summary. Concept locked, the endless commute. Funny escalation time loop style. Main character. Late 20s to 30s man. Short brown hair combed to one side. Short, well-maintained full beard, including sideburns and mustache, clean and trimmed. Wearing a crisp white suit. Jacket, pants, white shirt. No tie visible in refs so far. Vibe. Funny escalation of morning routine, leading to chaotic commute. Asset so far. We have a couple of hero reference stills generated. One in the kitchen with coffee, modern apartment setting, bright natural light, clean modern kitchen with wooden cabinets, plants, etc. This is our starting point for character consistency. Goal. Use this kitchen coffee image as our hero reference still to keep the character's look locked across all future generations. About your question, how do I put this picture in the project files? Since you're a beginner and we're keeping this super simple, no fancy software needed yet, here's the easiest way to save and organize the right image for our project so you can reference it easily. Download/save the correct image locally on your device. On your phone/computer, long press or right-click the image you like best. The one of him in the kitchen holding the white coffee mug, standing in the modern apartment. Choose Save Image or Download Image. Pick a spot that's easy to find, like a new folder on your desktop called Endless Commute Project. Or inside your Pictures folder, create a subfolder, Nick's Short Film. Rename the file something clear like hero_reference_character_kitchen_white_suit.jpg. This helps you spot it fast later. Keep it as your reference sheet. Every time we generate new images, bedroom wake up, mirror, hallway, street, train, etc., you'll want to look at this saved photo first. When you ask me for the next prompt, you can say something like, use the same guy from the kitchen coffee reference. Same hair, beard, white suit, same lighting vibe. Later, we'll make even tighter consistency by describing exact details pulled from this hero still. Optional super simple organization, free and beginner friendly. If you want to see all our images in one place, use your phone's Photos app or computer's File Explorer/Windows Photos/Mac Preview. Or download a free basic editor like photopea.com, online, no install, or Microsoft Paint, just to crop/zoom if needed and save versions. For now, just having the one file saved is perfect. We'll build from here. Next logical step. Now that we have a solid hero reference, the kitchen coffee shot, let's confirm it's the one you want as our main character Bible. Does this image feel right for him? Hair combed to the side? Beard short/clean/full? White suit looking sharp? Apartment/kitchen feeling modern and relatable? If yes, arrow great. We can move to quick storyboarding, listing 6 to 8 key repeating scenes with funny escalations. If no arrow, tell me what to tweak. For example, make the beard a tiny bit shorter, or brighter kitchen light. And I'll suggest a refined prompt to regenerate a better hero still. Quick question to keep us rolling. Which part of the routine do you want to start building next? Wake up in bed? Alarm ringing? Checking himself in the bathroom mirror? Pouring/making the coffee? Escalation starts here? Heading out the door? Pick one. Say, yes, this image is good. Let's do scene. And I'll give you the exact Grok Imagine prompt to generate the first version of that scene, using our hero reference details for perfect consistency. You're crushing this, Nick. One clear saved reference is already huge progress. Which scene next? Or any tweaks to the coffee guy pick